Decompressing a brake piston is easily done with a piston caliper tool. Some parts suppliers will let you sign them out for free, so make a few calls and you may save some time and money. But two things before you start. Clean the cylindrical edge of the piston with brake clean on a rag so as to avoid getting the solvent on the rubber boot. This step helps to extend the life of the rubber boot. Then, crack the cap of the brake fill reservoir to ensure the fluid we feed back into the system can flow easily. Now, ready to go. First, find the correct size adapter plate whose two pegs fit into the two piston slots. Line it up and fit it onto the brake tool with the pegs facing out. It will hold magnetically. Then, slide the pressure plate over the handle and wind the nut clockwise to collapse its size so it'll fit inside the caliper. Now place the tool inside the body of the caliper and turn the nut counterclockwise until the pressure plate is engaged and lining up the pegs to the piston. Then turn the handle clockwise. This will screw the piston down to depress it. Every once in a while, you'll need to snug that nut back up. When it's compressed, clockwise to loosen. When you're done, you want to align the piston slots at 90 degrees to the plane of the front caliper body. You can just eye that up. You can see those are straight up and down, ready to go. If you're here, you're doing brakes. Check out this brake video and you may pick up a few pointers for the rest of your brake job. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment.